Guys, am I audible to all? Just a quick check. Am I audible to all so that we can start with today's session? So we will keep it a quick session. Basically, this is to address the recent education policy key highlights that have been issued by II. So if you have gone through the details, basically it's very important session, especially for all the freshers who are going to plan their upcoming exams. So the education programs offered by II, they are now grouped under two categories. बहुत ध्यान से देखना. One is core education program and the other one is certification program. Now, in your core education program, we have the rules related to how you will become associate and how you will become a fellow. So, in order to be an associate, you need to clear 10 exams, which is 7 exams under core principles and 3 exams under core practice. And in order to be a fellow, basically, you have to pass all the 10 exams of core principles and core practices. It's very important that you have to understand the rules, basically. So you have to pass the all exams basically of core principles and core practices, and इसके साथ साथ 3 additional exams होने चाहिए आपके, basically 2 from SP and 1 from SA. इसके साथ साथ another condition to become a fellow of II is that you should successfully complete the India Fellowship seminar, and you should have 3 years of relevant work experience in actuarial domain. So this is the basically pathway for core education program. इसके साथ साथ there are certification programs basically to broaden your skill sets, जिस पे ESG considerations, climate risk, इन सारी चीजों पे II will focus. Now, important thing which has changed is you can see that there will be a data science certification program to be introduced from March 2027, which focuses on data science tools, techniques, and actuarial application. So ये एक बहुत बड़ा change आया है. And a strategic management and communication certification program to be introduced from March 2027, aligned with evolving professional and this leadership thing. So have you gone through this? I just want to understand. Have you gone through this document? Guys, it is extremely important that you are understanding the things well. Because अगर चीजें समझ नहीं आएंगी, आप do raise your doubts. It's very important to understand the complete pathway, especially if you have chosen Institute of Actuaries of India as your main society. So they have mentioned also that that certification program will be focusing on areas such as banking, ESG, climate risk. ठीक है. So now the important change which has happened is that new data science subject will be introduced, और उस data science subject का name है CS3. तो इसमें सारे टूल्स डेटा साइंस के, सारी टेक्निक्स, एक्चुअल यूजेज, और ये 2 पार्ट में टेस्ट हो रहा है. आपको साफ साफ बोला गया है, वन वुड बी फॉर कंसेप्चुअल लर्निंग एंड अदर इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड असेसमेंट, एंड दिस सब्जेक्ट इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम May 2027 एग्जामिनेशन डाइट. आपके पास एक्सटेंडेड विंडो है 31 जुलाई 2028 तक, दैट in order to be an associate, if you even if you have not given CS3, you can apply associateship until 31st July 2028. Now, students who fill the associateship requirements will no longer be required to pass CS3, because अगर आपके basically core practice और principal के 7 subjects for core principal and 3 subjects for core practice अगर cleared है, तो आपको CS3 नहीं देना. आपके पास 31st July 2028 तक associateship लेने का extension है. Now, students who do not complete their associateship requirements by 31st July 2028, now they will have to pass CS3. अगर आपकी associateship 31st July 2028 तक clear नहीं होगी, तो आपको CS3 के लिए basically it is required to pass 3S3. So you cannot skip on giving CS3. CS3 will become a compulsion for you. So exemptions will continue to be granted in line with existing policies, and application subject submitted up to 31st December 2032 will be processed only if the underlying subjects was passed on or before 31st July 2028. एंड एक बहुत बड़ा दूसरा चेंज क्या है, CP3 और CP3 मर्ज होकर एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट, मतलब बेसिकली CP3 उसका नाम रहेगा, बस पहले CP3 वाज कम्युनिकेशन प्रैक्टिस, अब उसका नेम आ जाएगा स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. सिंगल रिटन पेपर ऑफ 3 hours and 15 minutes, टेस्टिंग योर बिजनेस नॉलेज, टेस्टिंग कम्युनिकेशन effectiveness. And this will be introduced from November 2027 examination date. तो ये मेजर चेंजेस आए हैं एंड यू शुड बी रेडी फॉर दीज चेंजेस। बेसिकली डेटा साइंस सब्जेक्ट लाना इंपॉर्टेंट था, उसमें पाइथन, एसक्यूएल, सारे डेटा साइंस के आपके टूल्स उसमें वो सेट कर देंगे। सो यू कैन सी द एजुकेशन फ्रेमवर्क, कोर एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम्स leads to associate and fellow qualifications of II. Certification programs aims to impart industry relevant technical and managerial skills while strengthening II's intellectual capital. So associateship के लिए 10 examination, 7 under core principle, 3 under core practice. Fellowship के लिए 10 के 10 core principle और core practice के 3 additional examination. India fellowship seminar successfully complete, 3 years of relevant work experience. और अगर जो सीपीज बेसिकली सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम्स ये इंक्लूड करेंगे, दे विल बेसिकली फोकसिंग ऑन IFRS 17, एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशंस इन बैंकिंग, डेटा साइंस, credit risk analytics, pricing and reserving for health insurance, predictive modeling, strategic management, and communication. So, where feasible, this is also mentioned that CP will be offered at two levels: intermediate level and advanced level. So, intermediate level will focus with an objective type assessment upon completion. Advanced level will require CAPS project. पेपर एज वेल रेलिवेंट टू एक्चुअल प्रोफेशन. सो सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम जब स्टार्ट होगा, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग मोर अबाउट दैट इन बेसिकली दैट सेशन. सो यू कैन सी नाउ. सो फॉर मे 2027 एग्जामिनेशन डाइट, अगर आपको एसोसिएटशिप चाहिए तो आपको ये सब्जेक्ट्स चाहिए: CS1, CS2, CS3, CM1, CM2, CB1, CB2, CB3, CP1, CP2, CP3. अभी तक मई 2027 तक CB3 रहेगा, ताकि किसी का अगर CP3 क्लियर्ड है और CP3 नहीं क्लियर्ड, वो CP3 देकर एग्जामिशन ले लेगा. किसी का CP3 क्लियर्ड है, CP3 नहीं क्लियर, ऑप्शन रहेगा. लेकिन बेसिकली CS3 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो फॉर मे 2027 एग्जामिनेशन डाइट, CS3 इज इंट्रोड्यूस अंडर न्यू सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन अगर आपके मतलब आपके पास 31 जुलाई 2028 तक की एक्सटेंडेड विंडो रहेगी एसोसिएटशिप क्लेम करने की. CP3 and CP3 will continue to be offered and examined as separate subject during this phase. Up extended transition window will be available up to 31st July 2028. Candidates who fulfill the association requirements within the transition period will not be required to pass CS3. Candidates who do not complete by 31st July, they will have to pass CS3. Candidates entering the system from May 2027 date will follow the revised curriculum structure. So you can see all this is same things that we have basically discussed. अब ये देखो associated track from May 2027. May 2027 में CB3 sorry November 2027 से CB3 हट जाएगा, because वो सिर्फ तब तक कि आपके पास extended window है. Simple कौन से subjects रह जाएंगे: CS1, CS2, CS3, CM1, CM2, CB1, CB2, CP1, CP2, CP3. So from November 2027 examination date, CB3 and CP3 will be merged into a single subject: strategic management and communication. So candidates who have already passed either CB3 or CP3 will be granted 3 additional dates to pass the remaining subject and secure recognition under the merged structure. All passes and exemptions obtained until 31st December will be recognized for transition purposes. अगर आपका सिर्फ एक ही पेपर में पास है तब तक, तो आपको नया पेपर दोबारा से अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ेगा. So this is basically II Education Policy 2026. So बहुत सारे students basically जब ये notification release हुई, तो many students have asked a doubt on this education policy. So that is why I thought that instead of asking like addressing doubts on individual level, let me take a quick session so that you guys can become comfortable with the new structure. Now, any doubts in new structure understanding to any of you? Anything that you want to discuss related to CP3, or you want to discuss related to CB3 or the new subject CS3, any doubts or any assistance required with respect to new education policy of II 2026? So as per the notation, as per the the rules and the notifications that we have received, this is applicable for II students. And they have also mentioned, you can see, mapping with IFOI, IAA, and SERA curriculum. By and large, the proposed CAP's curriculum 2026 corresponds to existing IFOI curriculum, which means that candidates who want to obtain fellowship qualification of IFOI under MRA can do so. So CEP curriculum 2026 meets the SERA requirements because it has subject related to enterprise risk management. So associateship track of proposed CEP curriculum meets the minimum education requirements of IA 2025 curriculum. करिकुलम. तो बेसिकली दे हैव मेंशन्ड कि उसके बेसिस पे हमने ये डिसीजन निकाला है. So any doubts or anything which is unclear with respect to education policy? ठीक है, then if there are no doubts, this is what I wanted to convey in this session. Thank you.